Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will see how to delete duplicate values from spreadsheet. To get started, first select the range of data you want to check for duplicates. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells. Clicking on remove duplicates opens a dialog box. Here you can select which columns to include in your duplicate search. By default, Excel will check all the columns. Once you have set your preference, click OK. And that's it. Your spreadsheet is now clean and free of duplicates. If you found this tutorial is helpful for you, please subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.